The Nike Air Max 95 continues to move forward even after celebrating its 30th anniversary, proving the iconic silhouette is far from slowing down. Instead of fading after a milestone year, the Big Bubble Air Max 95 remains a key part of Nike's lineup, carrying its legacy into the new year. The classic gray gradient theme is still a major focus, with confirmed releases like the Pencil Point and Granite colorways keeping the original DNA alive. Adding a fresh twist to the lineup is the Nike Air Max 95 Velvet Brown, which reimagines the famous ombre look made popular by the neon colorway. This version blends soft pink tones into rich brown shades along the side panels, creating a smooth Neapolitan-inspired finish. To stay connected to the OG look, the Big Bubble cushioning features a familiar aquatic blue tint. The Nike Air Max 95 Velvet Brown has already launched in select global markets and is expected to release in the United States soon, priced at $180 and available exclusively in women's sizing.